We drove through the night, taking shifts. Daniel slept first. I actually drove. And we made it back to the south to Seljandafoss.
Seljandafoss.
No, Seljalandsfoss. Seljalandsfoss. That's it.
Sell your land, Foss.
So we made it back, which means we drove. So we left here on Wednesday morning, and today's Saturday morning. We drove around the entire country in a few days, which is nuts. So, but today's looking great. We get to make up for day 2 that we lost. Really pumped.
Yeah.
Some exciting things today. Check out the falls. This day has started off pretty epic actually. So we were just at Seljalandsfoss and now we walk down and we're at Glacier or Glacier, this is seriously one of the coolest waterfalls I've ever seen in my life. So you can see that little entrance path there. I walked inside, half my boots got soaked, like I was soaked, but it was totally worth it. Seriously epic. Iceland is delivering. Welcome to Skoggafoss. Now this waterfall is super popular. Look at all the tourists around because of how close it is to Reykjavik. It's beautiful, hey? We are at Solheimajökull. It's a glacier that extends over 14 kilometers. So 43 years ago, this US Navy plane crashed here on Solheimajökull beach. Fortunately, everyone survived, but there are different theories about why the plane landed. The most, I think, believed one is that the pilot ran out of fuel and had to crash land here. It's still in pretty good state given the weather here in Iceland. What you'll notice as well is the tail's missing, and the rumour behind it is that a farmer took it and sold it in Vik, a nearby town here. Make some cash money off some scraps.
Scrap metal, mate. Tons of it. I reckon it's in pretty good nick, mate. Just need a bit of WD-40, a bit of CRC, a bit of a tweak, a bit of a tune-up, and she'll be ready to fly. She'll be right. She'll be right, eh? How's it going? So on our little walk to our broken down aeroplane, our plane crash out in the middle of the beach, I decided to go on a treasure hunt. Because, you know, some people, there are so many tourists that lose things as they step in and out of their cars. So this is what I found. I found myself a nice little light. Get it in ya. So that's mine. And found myself some beautiful brand new glove. Look at that. Brand spanking new. She's good. Right. So if you're that bored and you walk 3 kilometers, get yourself a partner and go on a treasure hunt.
Or if you're missing anything.
Or if you're missing anything,
No, if you're missing a glove.
Too bad, it's mine.
Tonight, no more noodles. Chicken and curry and lamb.
7:30 p.m. We're gonna turn in early tonight because last night we got, what, 2 hours sleep? Maybe 3.
Tonight we're having a shower. It's called the theory of baby wipes.
Is because we've been driving through the night, we keep passing all the free thermals.
Yeah.
The pool here tonight was already closed. It closes in the day.
Yep.
So it's just baby wipes again for us.
Baby wipes are the best.
We had an epic day. It was just full of, we were so blessed with incredible weather. Chasing the sun has been successful.
Yep.
And great sights.
Yeah, we visited some beautiful sites.
Anyway,
So,
over
bye.
and out.